Hi everybody, this is Virginia. I'm going to finish opening this, then I'm going to open the box. Don't forget to like, comment, share. This is part 2 of FabFit box. Just open this from the first one I already uploaded. My straightener, flat iron here, smaller. And let's open this big box and see what's inside. Got my scissors right here, and open it. That's my dog's cat, Applejack. Excuse me, Applejack, you have to get down, okay? And let's open it. There you go. Trying to do it with one hand. It's opened. Let's see what we got. This has opened. Take these out. Put this on one hand. Ooh. This say what I got. Bought a lot of stuff. And my box right there. Got a bag. Got another bag. Luxury a lifestyle London. Another bag. Got this. It's another bag. But and got another bag. I think this is like a makeup bag. And got Super Beauty Mask Rose right here. Got how many is in it. Got a bag right here. It's like a, believe it's a cooler bag. I have to look that up to see what it is. Okay, got shampoo and conditioner. Got shampoo and conditioner right here. It's all Placio Television Perfect Shampoo and Conditioner. And got Bling Brush On The Go Jewelry Cleaner. And Black Cherry Shave Cream, Moisturize, Soothes, and Nurturize. Okay, first we got Organic Cocoa Mineral Face Sunscreen Matte Finish right here. And we got right here 18 gold formal or stainless stone silver. Oh, this earrings. I'll open that in a minute. There might be part 3. Might be. This is a mask, blood mask. Let's open this earrings right quick. It's in a good packaging. I'm just gonna cut the tape. There you go. Ooh, look at that. Pretty earrings. Alright, let's see. Night Spark Notes. That's cool. And eye mask. Bright eye mask. Alright. And another earrings. Oh, rings. Sorry, 18K gold plated brass Gibber adjustable ring set. And this is Lower Lash Eyes 24 eyeliner. And this is eyeshadow palette that I will swatch. And yay, I've been wanting this. Hangover 3-in-1 coconut water bio base ingredient skin with Too Faced. I've been hearing about Too Faced. I've been wanting to try it. I'll open that in a moment. There will be a part 3 opening it. And another Marble Light swatching. There'll be part 3 definitely. And my FabFit box right here. That's what's all in the box. Here's the box. I like, comment, share. There'll be part 3 on first due. And I'm gonna open most and show you. And there'll be part 3, so stay tuned for it. Like, comment, don't forget to like, comment, and share, and subscribe. So, if you want to see more. Bye, guys.